As-Salaam Alaikum, brothers and sisters. Ramadan Mubarak. Today we are going to learn about dua that Muslims say before breaking their fast. As you know, after a long day of fasting without any food or drink, Muslims all over the world gather at the dinner table during sunset to break their fast together. But did you know that before eating, there is a prayer that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, recommended us to recite?
اللهم إن لك صمت وبك أمنت وعليك توكلت وعلى رزقك أفطرت.
Which means, O Allah, I fasted for you, and I believe in you, and I put my trust in you, and I break my fast with your sustenance. Reciting this prayer is a beautiful way to end your day of fasting. It's important to note that the prayer at the time of breaking your fast is one of the times when Allah accepts our prayers. Therefore, it's recommended to make plenty of supplications during this time and ask Allah for anything you need, like forgiveness, good health, and patience during fasting, and to also remember those who are going through tough times. According to the Sunnah, it's best to break your fast with dates or water. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that those who have dates should use them to break their fast, and those who don't should break their fast with water. Water is a pure and refreshing drink that quenches your thirst after a long day of fasting. It's important not to overeat after breaking your fast, as this can make you feel tired and less energetic for Taraweeh prayers at the mosque. In conclusion, I hope that Allah accepts your fasting and prayers. Remember to always be kind and respectful to your parents and others. May Allah bless you with good health, happiness, and prosperity.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूँ अहमद। हमारे चैनल किड्स इस्लाम को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन को भी जरूर प्रेस करें।